In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best angle grinders available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the angle grinders mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, 16.8V Cordless Angle Grinder. The 16.8V Cordless Angle Grinder is a great choice for both home DIYers and professional users. With its compact size and powerful 650W motor, this tool offers a high-speed 28,000 RPM performance ideal for grinding, polishing, or cutting. The 10mm turntable aperture provides versatility for various applications. Powered by a 6000 mAh lithium battery, it ensures extended usage without frequent recharging. This grinder delivers serious performance at just $41, a 57% discount off its original price. Number 4, Cordless Angle Grinder 9000R/Min. This 9000R/Min cordless angle grinder is built for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who demand precision and efficiency. It features a thickened protective cover for safer operation and an upgraded pure copper motor that enhances grinding power. Its ergonomic and exquisite design improves user comfort during long tasks. With fast charging and a long-lasting lithium battery, it ensures you're always ready for the next project. Grab it now for only $46.88, 57% off. Number 3, 125mm Brushless Grinder with Makita Battery. Designed for both renovation professionals and DIY users, this 125mm brushless angle grinder works seamlessly with Makita 18V batteries. It features 2-speed settings for added control, a durable high-temperature resistant motor, and a thickened protective shield for safe operation. The ergonomic side handle increases grip and stability during heavy tasks. A great deal at $48.28, 54% off, this grinder combines premium features with solid affordability. Number 2, DEKO 115mm Electric Angle Grinder. The DEKO 115mm Electric Angle Grinder delivers industrial-grade performance with an 800W motor and a high-speed 11,000 RPM output. Ideal for cutting, grinding, and polishing, it features an M14 spindle thread for secure attachments and a 115mm disc diameter for precision. Its sturdy build and powerful motor make it suitable for heavier tasks at home or work. With a current price of $120.40, 45% off, it's a reliable and efficient tool that justifies its cost. Number 1, DayPlus Brushless Cordless Grinder 115mm. The DayPlus Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder stands out with its 115mm disc and 3.0 a long-lasting battery. Designed for both DIY lovers and professionals, it features a 2-position handle for enhanced control, a quick-change spindle lock system for faster disc swaps, and broad material compatibility. This brushless grinder is efficient, compact, and ergonomically built. At just $41.94, 58% off, it offers premium features at a great value.